Guys, guess what came in the mail? An air raid siren, as you can see. And I'll put the camera right here so you can see me. Actually, 1 minute, guys. I don't have any pants on, so I don't want you to see. Okay, but here's the air raid siren so far. So I'm gonna use it. So this is how you do it. It's I think handheld. Yeah, you can see the little turdy thing spinning. Oh geez, wrong way. Yeah, my parents are sleeping. I can't really do it that loud. This trigger, it makes it really, really loud. I'll show you that. Yeah, it makes it pretty loud. Here, guys, I'm gonna go outside for a minute. So guys, I have decided not to use it outside, but this is the green version, as you can see. It's pretty dark green for my vision, but in your vision, really, really, really light. But yeah, I'll show you it again, a bit louder. Guys. Which way do I do this? Okay, I held it like this. Yeah. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Smash the like button down below, and peace.